Stop doing boring stuff. Discover the joy of bird sounds instead. From the sweet tweets of the robins to the melodic melodies of nightingales, each bird has its own unique song. Listen closely. Can you hear the blue jay's cheerful chatter or the sparrow's soft serenade? These feathered friends are nature's musicians, bringing a touch of magic wherever they go. So sit back, relax, and let the symphony of our cute chirping pals brighten your day.